Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super delicious, super moist and super soft dinner rolls made with tangerine. This has no yeast, no milk, and we are going to make this super moist dinner rolls, and I will show you guys exactly how to make. And you can see there is no cracks, and I will show you the techniques of how to fold the rolls as well. I also have the dinner roll recipe that I will put the link below. That is one of my most watched video. Please check that out as well. That has no yeast, no milk. Before I go ahead and start, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below. I have 2 videos every week. Here I have 20 tangerines. You can use orange. If you want to use orange, just make sure you remove the seeds. Tangerine doesn't have a seed, so I'm just going to blend them into a juice. Here I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour if you prefer. 3 teaspoons of baking powder to that, and 1.5 teaspoons salt, or as needed. Go ahead and mix them well until it's all well incorporated. To this I'm going to add 1 large egg, room temperature, and I'm going to use around 3/4 of a cup tangerine juice, but you can just make sure you add them a little bit at a time so that you know the quantity of juice that you may need. And now once that is, you don't want too dry of a dough and too soft of a dough. You want the right consistency, just like we would make any roti, but soft dough. Here I have 2 tablespoons of tangerine peel that I cut into small pieces, and here 2 tablespoons of a room temperature butter. You don't want to melt the butter, it has to be room temperature. Go ahead and mix them until it forms a smooth dough. It will take some time, just go ahead and have patience. Once that is done, we are going to rest this for 15 minutes, not more than that. It doesn't have a yeast, so we don't have to wait for any doubling in size. After 15 minutes, I'm going to take the dough and knead just lightly. We are not going to knead them too hard because this is a quick bread. Now I'm going to just gently flatten it up with my hand, and then I'm going to cut into equal size. Now take this and shape into a ball. Now if you want your bread to have no cracks when they are baking, just make sure you fold them underneath and then give it a nice round shape. Here I'm going to show you another method. Just fold it all in one corner and then pull it down and just shape it by rolling on a flat surface or with your hand. Now here I'm using a baking tin. You can use any kind of baking tin as you wish, and just lightly grease it with butter or oil. Now I'm going to just place this dinner rolls that we just prepared. Give it some little space on the sides so that it can expand. And here I have milk, or you can even use egg wash. That's totally up to you. Now go ahead and put them in the oven that is preheated at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven temperature. Look at that bread. It's super soft, super flaky, and it's super delicious. I can't even tell you the smell. It's so gorgeous. This bread can be served as it is, or with some butter, or even as a sliders. It's great for that. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.